Oh yeah. Oh, who doesn't want a ding dong during a nooner? This goes out to all the ladies out there. Anywho, welcome to another episode of Sculler Metal's Nooner. I'm your host, Sculler. Yeah, those are delicious. Okay, so the whole point of Sculler Metal Nooners is to come home on my lunch break, work on some stuff that I say I don't have time for, just little odds and ends, piddly things, taking things apart. And we're going to keep the videos short and sweet. Maybe 5 minutes, I don't know. 10 minutes. Obviously, I'm going to be working for an hour, but I'll spare you the gory details. Look at that. I mean, I got to go get a drink. There you go. There's number 2. Yeah, that's copper. And yeah, that's copper. Suck if that was aluminum. Here's another one. I think these are copper, maybe. I don't know. They're usually brass, but it's kind of orangish. Yeah, these are going to be copper. Nice. I'm going to have to cut those open later. Let's see. Got a little outlet here. Okay, just to warn you. I'm going to hit the camera. Oh, maybe not. Yep, I did. I hit it. I'm going to use my Arkansas speed wrench on some of these. Oh, watch your eyes. Good grief. Because we only have a short amount of time. We don't have time to fool around. Take things apart nicely. So, metal right there. Watch your eyes. Oh, yeah, we don't hit that one. Let's see what's going to happen here. I'm going to have so many tools. I'm not going to have any room to work. That's copper. Oh, I was hoping there would be brass or something in these suckers. I mean, I could throw this into shred probably just like this, maybe. Stuff flying everywhere. I'll find that at the end of the summer prep. Oh, there we go. Just some scrap metal. What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh, that's what I was looking for right there. So, hold on a second. I'm right-handed. Not going to be able to see anything if I'm doing everything right-handed. You can see this came out of some circuit board. Has a minute amount of copper, which typically isn't worth it to spend the time doing. And this is metal of some kind, I don't know. Antimony or something like that? I don't know. Now it's just a matter of unwinding this. Oh yeah, frick. Sometimes you can start unraveling it. Pull it out the side rather than having to unwind. Ooh, just like that. Oh, there's one piece. I feel rushed, but I don't need to because I can just fast forward when I'm editing, so I don't know why I get like that. I'm neurotic. Let go. There's more in here. You can hide. These gloves are so big. Golly. What? Oh, frickin' gloves. I'm done with them. Copper. Copper. Little tiny pieces. Yeah, again, this is just stuff that if it's raining outside and you're on restrictions, you're not supposed to lift anything over 3 pounds, then this is the kind of stuff to do. Just fart around. Peel that. Probably isn't the smartest way to do this, honestly. Never said I was smart in the first place, so can't hold that against me. Just about worthless amounts of copper. But what am I going to do? Go grab lunch and sit in the parking lot and eat and then go back to work? When I could be having fun with you guys? Alright, so that is that. So out of that little thing, I'm going to burn that anyway, so that little paper on there won't matter. Ooh, another one of these, nice brass. Can't do those right now. Oh, another one of these things. Okay, I grabbed it, so I'm going to do it. That's a metal. Like I said, it smells like I know what that is. Ooh, this is aggressive. Wow. Why get that thing out of the middle? That's why I say these, because I'm trying to get the stuff out of reaching this thing. Ooh, look at this. Okay, hold on. Ooh. I don't even know where the other piece went. So this is some of it that came off. Okay, well, that's going to have to remain a mystery because I just looked all over and I can't find the darn thing anywhere. Whatever. Let's see what else we got. What else we got? Ooh, yeah, I see some copper in there. How do you get into this thing now? If I slip, I'm going to cut my hand open. Alright. Now I'll put gloves on. This is a little motor out of something, I think. Maybe a, come out of a vacuum cleaner or something? Oh, for Pete's sake. Serious? Oh, it wants to come out. Alright. Alright. One more. There we go. Get this clip off of here. Oh, you mofo. Come on now. You're killing me, man. Will these things work? Oh, you can't win. You can't beat me. There we go. Ooh, that's metal. Then we have this little ball of goodness. Oh, check this out. Slinky, slinky, a wonderful, wonderful toy. Yeah. Holy balls. Look at this. Man, I'm glad I opened that thing. Holy sugar. That's as much as all the other copper I had combined. Ooh, and it's oily. Ooh. I'm gonna break out in zips. Why so oily? Okay. Can't do those. One of these days, one of these nooners, I'm doing these things. And we're gonna make hay. I'm still greasy, man. That's annoying. Okay. Now this is just a matter of unwinding. What you do is you cue the music.
What you want, what you need. Gotta take all you get, my love, cause you know it don't come for free. Every little thing you want, every little thing you need. Keep it all for yourself, my love, cause it really don't matter to me. I fell for you, I took the fall, I gave my...
You finally get to it, and you get that. So tell me, what kind of stuff do you want to see in a Sculler Metals Nooner that doesn't involve my wife? Well, makes it way easier to break all these plastic pieces off because of that right there. Another trim job. I guess the way you got to think about it is if this was easy, I would have done it a long time ago. Or if it was worth it, I would have done it a long time ago. So, it's not going to be easy. Whew. Man, my anxiety has been through the roof. My hands are shaking like a psycho. Boy, oh boy. That's kind of my MO right there. If things aren't working too well, I just start smashing it with a hammer. I gotta wind this up because I keep snagging it and it's pissing me off. Okay. How do you get in here? Jeez. Oh, here we go. Man, there's so much junk on this wire. There's going to be all kinds of slag when I melt. Alright, there's another one. And by the way, I've got all this down here from when I did stuff before. I'm guessing I, looks like I showed a lot more patience with those that I just showed you because they're all neatly wrapped up. These little things you find on circuit boards. Oh man, what a pain. Just hate to pass up copper. Only at noon. Okay, let's try something different because those things are going to make me start swearing. And I try not to. Damn it. Okay, hold on a second. Can't concentrate with all that mess. What time is it? Ooh, 12:54. Holy balls. A little Mountain Dew. And for those of you that don't think Mountain Dew and Ding Dongs are a healthy lunch choice, you are nuts. Oh, wait a minute. That screw I just threw in there, I'm going to have to check. A lot of times screws on these outlets are brass. Nope, magnetic. Forget it. Oh, I bet these are brass though. They look brass. Nope, they're magnetic. Forget it. Why you gotta be sticky? Chances are I'm going to take a hammer to this thing too, just to warn you. And this will be the last thing I do because my lunch hour is over. Ooh, she's really in there. Ah! Oh, good catch. I've got cat-like reflexes. And then I drop it. What a dork. See these. That's why I do it. That's brass, brass, brass. Plastic, metal, and metal. Steel, whatever. But that's the goods. Okay, so some steel right there. Okay, so that's what I got for the day. Plus some copper wire that shot somewhere, which I couldn't find, which is not a lot. This is what it is. That's probably a pound. Tell you what, let me go check. Okay, well that sucks worse than I thought. It was only 3/4 of a pound, 0.75. And then a few brass pieces. And why do you save these little brass pieces? Because when you save enough of them, getting to the point where I can fill a crucible just with what I got right here. So, all right. Oh, you know what? If I add what was already in here, we got a pound. We'll come back with another episode of Sculler Metals Nooners pretty soon. Thanks for showing up. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. I got a lot of plans. I've got plans, brother. And we're gonna knock this out of the park. So stay tuned. See ya.